Hi guys, what's up? So today I will be going to show you how you can create a free landing page using Google Sites. So let's start. We'll head to Google Sites first. So if you have not already signed in, you can just sign up and this page will appear. I'm going to teach you how you can create a landing page from scratch. So we just click on blank. Here. So a landing page is generally used to promote an affiliate product or affiliate link. So today I'll be using ClickBank to promote the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. So we'll head to their affiliate page, which will give us information about their product. So open link in new tab here, and then we'll access their promotional tools. So we'll just go to this affiliate page, weight loss for women. So we'll just go to the pre-sale one page here, and just go to their site here. So I'm using this product. You can use any product from any site which offers affiliate marketing, and you can promote their product. You just need enough information about their product to put on your landing page here. So just give a title, 21 day smoothie diet program, and then we just give a background image to it. I've already got background images from pexels.com. You can also do so. So here we are. We just choose this image and open it. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So the header is done, and now what we need to do is add more content to the landing page. So we'll just choose a layout. I'm choosing this layout. You can choose any layout you want to, but for this example video I'm just choosing this one. Okay, so we'll give a heading here. Let's go to their site. Let's see what they have to offer. Here we just copy this heading, Control C, and just paste it here. Very simple. It's looking a little big, so we'll just adjust the font size. It's 27, we can just do it 18. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Let's see what information they have provided. There are a lot of information. We'll just post some, not all. The goal is to keep the landing page as simple as it can be, so people can read it freely and go to your affiliate link. So we'll just select this one first. Green smoothies for weight loss. Control C and go here. Control V. Again, we'll just post all this content, copy and paste it. Control V, paste. Yeah. So this is everything about the product that a customer would want to know. Yeah. We have already pasted it on our landing page, and now let's paste a picture here. Let's paste this picture. Let's increase the size of the picture a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Now what we need to do is we need to post the affiliate link in a button form. So we'll just head here to the button. here, and we will name it as, let's see what we can name it here. Let's name it get access to your 21-day smoothie diet program, and we need to paste our affiliate link. So head back to ClickBank and we'll click on promote. Just enter my username here and generate uplink. That's it. We need to post this affiliate link on the button of our landing page. So we'll just copy to clipboard here, cross, and then just go here and paste it. Control V here. Enhance this button a little bit more here. So every time a customer goes to this link and buys a product from you, you get a commission. Isn't that great? So the landing page is not complete yet, guys. We need to post more content. The customer needs to read more so that he can know everything about the product. So we'll choose another layout here, paste it. Okay, let's go here, get access to some more information. Here, we can just copy it all, Control C, and again go back to our Google Sheets and Control V. No, we don't need this. Here, yeah. Now we'll add another picture, upload. Just upload this one. Yeah, that looks good. So here we go. So we have almost built our landing page. It looks great, it looks simple, and it looks easy to read, just like our customers like it. So we have posted our affiliate link here in this button. It's quite visible, and we'll post one more button at the end of this one, at the end of this page. So insert another button right here. Okay. Get your smoothie diet program now. And we'll just paste the same link here. Go again, promote, generate topics. Same method, very easy. Okay, use Control V here, insert. So we just drag it to the bottom of the page. Okay, that's it. We can also change the themes like here. And they will diplomat theme, the impression theme. Yeah, the level theme looks good. Just stick with the level theme. So that's pretty much it. We have created our landing page in less than 10 minutes. 21 day smoothie diet program. So every time someone will read this, your landing page, and sign up with any of the one button, we have provided two buttons, one here and one here, and every time they click on this button, they will go to our affiliate program for the 21 day smoothie diet program, and if they purchase this smoothie diet program, you get a commission. And this landing page is totally free, and it's very simple and it looks great. So now what we can do is just publish here, click on publish, and just you can give any name like healthy smoothies. It's already taken, so we'll just add a number. Yeah, so we can just publish it. Here. Now your landing page is live. People can access it on Google, and you can get the link of your landing page here. Let's test it out. So just copy link, open a new tab and paste it. Control V. Here. See, your landing page is right there. And when you click this link, if I told you, you are getting redirected to the 21 days Moody Diet affiliate program. Here it is. So every time anyone purchases this program, you get a commission. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So next video, I will teach you how to promote your landing page. Create a Google Sheet and promote your landing page, and don't forget to check out our 12-minute affiliate program in the bio, the description. It is a very good affiliate course that covers A to Z of the affiliate marketing program, and it is very easy to learn. So check it out. The link is in description. That's all for today.